Hello friends, good morning everyone. In the previous class we understood poem and we come to know that there are two type of personality of people. One is white and another is talkative. Now in this video we are going to deal with the question answer along with the other exercise are given in the textbook. Okay, let's start with the question answer. The first question is what activity was going on in the class? Very good. Discussion was going on in the class. The second one is who was the quiet one in the class? Good. Jane was the quiet one in the class. The third one is why was she quiet? Here four options are given. Let us see which one is correct. She was afraid to add her opinions. She hated the noise. She didn't like the activity. She was quiet by nature. Which one is correct? Very good. She was quiet by nature. The fourth active question is how do you interact in class during discussion? Do you participate or remain quiet? Here now is your turn to share your opinion. Okay. I speak less but listen to other more. So friends, here the answer is different. Okay. Let us move another activity. What you have to do is here are given some of words. Okay. Let's see. Naughty, lively, sharing, careless, studious, quiet, friendly, helpful, regular, cheerful. So here the words that describe the nature of person. So what you have to do it? You have to frame a question with the using this word. Okay. तो ये आपको घर से करना है. ओके, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स. लेट्स मूव ऑन द अनदर एक्टिविटी. हियर fill in the grid given below by assigning qualities to each person. Some clues are given here to help you. What you have to do it? Here the 6 students are there and 6 students have a different nature. So how do we find out their nature? With the help of these clues. Let us see. Sankita lends her pencil to her partner. So what is his quality? What is her quality? He is generous. The second clue is Nirav is also called a chatterbox. So Nirav is talkative. The third one is Pranav recently saved a cat from drowning in the lake. So which quality is Pranav having? Brave. Very good. The next clue is Megha is just the opposite of Nirav. So what quality is Megha having? Studious. Very good. The next clue is Mithila always teases everyone. Mithila always teases everyone. Which quality is she having? Naughty. Very good. The last clue is Ritu is always seen with a book in hand. So what quality is she having? She having studious quality. Very good friends. So here we come to know the different qualities of person. Right? Let us move another exercise. The girls and boys of class 5th wrote a notice for bulletin board. Read Shila's notice. Discuss the questions that follow. Here the notice is given, written by the students. Let us see the notice, then we will discuss the question answer. Okay. The drama committee will meet in the classroom on Monday at 2 o'clock we will plan a play for our annual day. Will each one of you please bring a play? Sheila. Let us discuss the question answer. Who was to meet? Very good. The drama committee was to meet. When were they to meet? They meet on Monday at 12 o'clock. Sorry. They meet on Monday at 2 o'clock. Where were they to meet? They were to meet in the classroom. What were they to do? Very good. They were to plan a play for their annual day. Now friends, now it's your turn to write a notice. Write a notice about the library committee or football match. I have written the notice so you can easily understand how to write a notice. Let us see. First notice is about a library committee. Let us see. Bakarol Dakshinamurthy School, 24 January 2021. A library committee will meet in the library on Tuesday at 1 o'clock. We will plan to raise the use of the library in the school. Please come with some ideas. Written by Ritu, Library Committee. The next notice is a notice about a football match. Bakarol Dakshinamurthy School, 21 December 2019. Dakshinamurthy School football match will be played between DN School and our school at ground. The match will be held on 25 November at 2 p.m. All the students are requested to visit at ground and watch the match. This is the notice written by Rahul, Sport Committee. I hope you understand how to write a notice. Okay friends, we completed all exercise. Whenever you find difficulties, when you come across, please approach me. I will help you, okay? And I will send you PDF so you can prepare your notes and question answer for exam. This time to say Tata, goodbye. Have a nice day. Stay home and stay safe. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.